Cool trains in Montreal. Got a train heading eastbound here on this little island just off of Perrot, I guess. I forget the name of the place here. CN heading eastbound on this little bridge just before the bridge that goes to but just on the approaches, I guess, of the bridge that goes to Sainte Anne De Bellevue here at about 3:30 p.m. on the 20th of October 2024. Beautiful day here in the Sainte Anne De Bellevue area. A little too breezy for biking, so I took the bus actually out here, and it was not a wasted trip, at least so far. I kind of wanted to be on the other side, but it's a little bit of a squeeze over there on that one lane road. I couldn't find a good spot. Here comes the DPU. Here's a spot that I don't often come to. You have to walk across the highway bridge on the bike path, and then just take the stairs down and walk underneath it. So I'm headed towards Boulevard Isle Claude. Hopefully I'll get a train there as well. Beautiful day, about 20 degrees out here, and by midweek we'll be back down to 10 degrees Celsius. Very odd spot. You got these little narrow bridges. The only way to get here is from the highway. And I just got here too, so I was pretty lucky. Didn't have to wait at all. Came here just on a whim too. Would have missed it if I hadn't come over here. And that's it. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.